Hey there, this is Kat Novak, and we are going to assemble this cute summer wreath kit with the watermelon. So in your kit, you'll have your sign. You will have 2 bags of mesh. One will be labeled outer and one will be inner. Excuse me. You'll have your wire form with the pipe cleaners to color coordinate for you. And then you'll have your ribbon. And you'll have 4 different primary colors, so to speak. So you have a greens, you'll have the yellow, you'll have aqua, and you'll have the hot pink. And the patterns might vary depending upon when you order your kit. The other thing you'll have in your kit will be, if I can pick it up, this little piece of wire. This will help hang your wreath when you're finished. As far as tools are concerned, a pair of scissors, you'll want to cut the fishing line off to trim the edges of the fishing line from your sign. If you have these 2 items, they are useful. They're not, I'll show you how to do it without them, but I do use them because I do find it makes things easier. So a needle nose pliers and a pair of wire cutters. But we won't need that until the end. So we're going to start with just learning how to put on our mesh. So I'm going to move my ribbon out of the way. One of the things with Deco Mesh is it does tend to snag on everything. So it will catch and pull the ribbon. It will catch onto your clothes, but that's just, you know, how it is. So the inner mesh is shorter. So we're going to separate them. And what I usually do is I kind of roll in one of the edges and then scrunch to the other side and then pinch in the middle. So it kind of fans it out. And that way, by rolling in those ends, it kind of doesn't catch as much. So this is my inner. So I'm going to find my blue pipe cleaner and I'm going to pull it tight, and then I'm going to twist once, and then we'll come back and add ribbon on top of that. So again, just going to scrunch to the other side, pinch in the middle, and then I'm going to find that other blue. So I'm going to keep going and do all of the mesh on the inside of the wire form, and then I'll move to the outside, and then I'll come back and so I'm going to fast forward a little bit now, and you can pause it to catch up, and then we'll come back with and I'll talk about putting on the ribbon.